this video, I will be showing you how to make 13 positions on Bitcoin 1 minute time frame based on price action on 3rd of March 2023 plus a position with a reward of 86. So let's get started. Before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's just some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's get started. On the first position, as you can see, the Bitcoin price has dropped a lot, and as you can see, we could enter a sell position here in two breakouts actually here. The first breakout is this support line or trend line here with 3 touches. On the first time it is broken here, we could enter sell position on this body close, put our stop loss above that or somewhere safer, and go for our reward, okay? But in the second way, we have a small trend line here with actually 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. On the 5th time it is broken here, we enter sell position, put our stop loss above that or somewhere safer, and look for our RR or risk to reward, which is giving us something around 86 here. As you can see, it is a too much of reward. It is so nice, you know. You can actually do not trade for months after that. On the second position, we have a resistance line here where the price came to this level and went down, dropped a bit, and we draw a resistance line like this. In the future, the price reacts to that level, we can enter the sell position on red candles like this and put our stop loss above them, and it gives us a reward of 3.4. On the next position, we do also have a resistance line here with actually where the price came to this level and went down. In the future, it reacts to that resistance line and makes some red candles like this. We can enter sell position, put our stop loss above that, and it gives us a reward of 2.5. On the trade 4, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the 3rd time it is broken here, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 3.5. On the trade 5, we have a trend line with lots of touches here, but we extend it here. When we see these shadows, it is like this at the first look. When we see these shadows, we extend it, and at the end it is broken here. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that candle or somewhere safer here or even here, and look for RR2 or risk to reward 2, which it gives us a reward of 2.7. On the next position, we have a trend line which it was like this, and we extend it here. The price is broken here, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.8. On the trade 7, we have a trend line which it was like this. Actually, the body is just a bit closed below that, but we extend it when we see the shadow, and it is broken with this red candle. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that, and it gives us a reward of 2 here. On the trade 8, we have a nice trend line here with actually 4 touches. On the 5th time it is broken with this green candle, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss below that, and it gives us a reward of 6 here. On the trade 9, let me clean it. On the trade 9, we have a trend line with 3 touches, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. On the 4th time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that, and it gives us a reward of 14. We could also enter sell position on these trend lines too. On the trade 10, we have a resistance line here where the price came to this level and went down. We draw a resistance line like this. In the future here, it reacts to that level and makes a pin bar. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that, and it gives us a reward of 3. On the trade 11, we have a trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 3.6. On the trade 12 we have actually two trend lines, the one from downside, the other one from upside. The one from downside has 3 touches. In the fourth time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss up of that candle, and it gives us a reward of something around 3. On the last position we have a small trend line here with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss up of below the candle, and it gives us a reward of something around 9, a bit lesser than 9. We could also enter buy position on these trend lines too. You can see these green lines has broken these trend lines. We could enter buy position on them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.